So far, this is completed and this is completed. Next, I will explain case study 1, practice. One small case study we do with basic data. And this practice level, end to end you learn. Case study 1 practice, end to end practice. Complete Power BI process you will understand in this area. So end to end in the sense, desktop reporting to cloud managing. Everything I cover. So very important case study. Complete Power BI level, whatever we have, bits and pieces, but whole you will learn in single area. And clear material also provided to you, don't worry. First, before working on it, Power BI desktop has two types of views. The home menu, blank report I'm clicking. And if you see this, you are able to see something here. This is called pane manager. And we call it as a modern view. Modern view. In some machines, you may not be able to see this modern view. Then what to do? File menu, options and settings. And what is this? Options. You want to change to old to new, new to old. Preview features. On object interaction. This indicate modern. Latest. I prefer this only. But you want to go to legacy. Then uncheck this. If you uncheck, it will go to legacy or old view. Let me uncheck this and click OK. OK. I'm closing this. Click on this again. So blank report. So are you able to see the pane manager? So here you are having values and add fields here. This is the kind of information we have. Got clarity? Good. And I want to go back to modern view. How do we go? File menu, options and settings, options. Always prefer modern view. Preview features, on object interaction. Click OK. Whenever system says this, you need to restart. So don't think OS restart. Application restart is required. What do you mean by application restart? Just close the application, open again. That is called application restart. Able to understand? And now you will see modern view and prefer working only in the modern view. This is modern view. Everyone clear? Wonderful. Now let me close this.